Does the Heard statement about Moss mean the victory for Johnny Depp? Why were Johnny Depp lawyers happy when Amber Heard said Kate Moss name? Now everyone's talking about Amber Heard is just digging herself in deeper. Especially after Heard brought up Johnny Depp's ex Kate Moss in the middle of testimony about the night of the stair incident at the Depp vs. Heard defamation trial in Fairfax, Virginia. When she evoked Kate's name, Johnny's lawyers smiled and celebrated. So, why did her words about Kate Moss create such hype? What does Kate Moss have to do with stairs? Does this mean a victory for Johnny Depp? And do not miss the bonus fact at the end of the video. Welcome to the TV Moments channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button below. Let me remind you what links Depp and Moss. Moss and Depp dated from 1994 to 1998. Depp claimed that the reason was as follows. "I was difficult to get on with. I let my work get in the way and I didn't give her attention I should have done." When Amber Heard mentioned Kate Moss at the court, it wasn't the first time that Amber mentioned Kate Moss. She did it at least 3 times. In 2020, Depp was involved in a libel case against UK's The Sun newspaper after an article labelled him a wife beater. Heard admitted that she struck the actor over fears that he would attack her sister. Whitney, "I did strike Johnny that day, in defense of my sister," she said about a March 2015 fight. Heard claims that her sister was standing at the top of a staircase. "I had heard that he had pushed a former girlfriend, I think it was Kate Moss, down the stairs. And I thought of that at the moment and I reacted in defense of her." Whitney. Depp lost the case after Mr. Justice Nicol ruled that The Sun proved the article to be substantially true. Amber name-dropped Moss yet again during her testimony on the 5th of May, detailing the same March 2015 fight. "I don't hesitate, I don't wait. In my head, I instantly thought of Kate Moss and the stairs and I swung at him," Heard explained. "In all of my relationships to date with Johnny, I hadn't landed a blow. The first 2 times." Describing the same fight Heard didn't name Moss, she only said "I think it was Kate Moss." But this time, she named her directly, with no doubt. By alleging that Depp had abused Moss, she implied that Moss would be on Heard's side here. According to Roland Acevedo, an NYC civil lawyer, the reference to Moss could make her a potential witness. Why were Johnny Depp lawyers happy Amber Heard said Kate Moss name? While the supermodel is not listed on court documents, Depp's legal team has the right to call any witnesses identified by Heard for rebuttal. Moreover, commenting on Depp's alleged previous acts could mean that Heard's behavior could be brought up. As per Insider, Acevedo states, "This could blow up in her face." A source revealed, Moss is still allegedly friends with Johnny and her testimony wasn't allowed to come in before because it wasn't as relevant. Mitra Ahorayan, a lawyer, added, "That's one mistake that Heard made was bringing up Kate Moss, which potentially opened the door to Depp team, bringing Moss on as an impeachment witness." Still, we can't be sure that Depp and Moss are as friendly as sources claim. Anyway, she probably won't be the anti-Depp clutch that Heard expected. What happened with Kate Moss and stairs? Kate Moss has never publicly accused Johnny Depp of pushing her down the stairs, or of any acts of violence. Amber Heard says she heard a rumor about Johnny Depp pushing Kate down the stairs. There was, however, a real documented night of apparent turmoil for Johnny and Kate that ended with Johnny in handcuffs. The New York Times reported on September 16, 1994, that Johnny had smashed up furniture and glass at the Mark Hotel. He was arrested, but the charges were dropped on the basis that he paid almost $10,000 in damages. Eileen Perez, the police officer who showed up to the call at 5:30 a.m., found Johnny and Kate sitting calmly in the middle of shattered glass and broken table legs. There was no personal injury or stares involved in this incident, but it did spark rumors about fights between Kate and Johnny behind the scenes. Kate has never spoken ill of Johnny, however. All in all, Amber Heard made it possible for Kate Moss to testify by using Moss' name in her speech. According to resources, Kate will stand in Johnny's defense. At this point, though, talk of Kate Moss being a witness for Johnny Depp is just chatter. Bonus for those who watched till the end. It is interesting to note that Amber was arrested in 2009 on domestic violence charges for hitting her girlfriend Tasya Van Ree at an airport. Charges were dropped, and Tasya has even publicly come to Amber's defense over the incident, even saying that Amber was wrongfully accused in 2016. However, Amber accused the arresting officer of homophobia and misogyny. This sparked the officer, a gay woman named Beverly Leonard, to speak out in her own defense on Facebook. "I am so not homophobic or misogynistic, sick," she wrote. "The arrest was made because an assault occurred, I witnessed it, and the parties were in a domestic relationship. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video."